First and foremost, give praise to the good Lord up above. We made it into 2025, so Happy New Year. And I want to give my condolences to the families of New Orleans. That was such a tragedy that should never have happened. We're starting off this 2025 bad, but to God be the glory. It's gonna get better. Now, we're at Walgreens, so I need to go in here and do a couple of deals. To do some savings, get some savings. To me, Walgreens didn't have that much, but I got a few digitals that I need to do. Y'all know I with my toothpaste. How I'm gonna be a coupon and I ain't got no darn toothpaste.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm gonna do this deal right here. When you buy 2 Colgate participating products, you're gonna get a $3 registry reward. I have a 4 off 2, so I'm gonna do the toothbrush deal. Then I'm gonna do the Crest deal, the Crest Brilliance deal. When you spend 12, you get a $6 register reward. So this is $12.99, and I got a 4 off 1 digital that's on attach, so I'm gonna pay $8.99 out of pocket for this. But I'm gonna get back that $6 register reward. Okay, this is gonna be my first transaction. The buy 2 Colgate, I got a 4 off 2 digital for that, and I got a 4 off 1 digital for the Crest Brilliance. After my digitals come off, I'm gonna pay $12.99 subtotal out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back the $6 register reward here, $3 register reward here. That's $9 I'm gonna get back. So this is gonna actually cost me $3.99, rounded off $4. And I'm gonna roll those register reward to my second transaction. Okay, this is gonna be my second transaction that I'm gonna do. When you buy 3 Olay body wash, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. I got my 3 right here, so I'm gonna roll my register reward from that to here. I have a 5 off 3 digital that's gonna come off. I'm gonna roll that $9 that I'm gonna get from the first transaction to here. I'm gonna pay $7 out of pocket, but I'm gonna get back this $5 register reward, which means these right here is gonna cost me $2 for 3. So let's check out. Okay, family, I'm back from Walgreens. As I told you, this is my first transaction. Did the Crest deal and the Colgate deal. The Crest is when you spend 12, you get a $6 register reward. Colgate's buy 2, get a $3 register reward. I had a 4 off 1 digital here, 4 off 2 digital here. So let's look at here's my receipt. Y'all see both of my 4 off digitals came off. I paid $12.99 out of pocket, so it actually worked out. And I got back, I got back my 6 and my $3 register reward, which made this cost $3.99, might as well run it off $4. Great, great, great deal. So I roll those into my next transaction. Okay, here's my next transaction. I bought the 3 Olay body wash. When you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward. I had a 5 off 3 digital that came off. Plus, I rolled that 6 and that 6 and that 3, excuse me, fam, register reward that I got back from that transaction onto here to lower my out of pocket. I paid $7 out of pocket, but I got back the $5 register reward, which made these $2, fam. $2. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. When you buy 3, they came to $21. You see the $6 register reward, the $3 register reward, and my 5 off 3 digital. I paid $7 out of pocket, and I got back my $5 register reward, which made these $2. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. Share, share, share. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a happy, happy, happy new year. Remember, those goals that what we didn't get straight last year, we're going to do it this year. My goal is to grow this channel, get monetized, so I don't have to deal with the foolishness at work. Give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, y'all going to see videos. I'm pushing videos out. Love you guys. Bye-bye.